Best piece of advice I have ever received is something that I've heard, and that is learn to pause. जब मैंने भी ये advice पहली बार सुनी थी, I thought like it's very simple. What's the matter? How can it help a person जो कि constantly overthink कर रहा है, emotionally react कर रहा है, and अपनी life को खुद ही problem बनाए जा रहा है? How can this small advice can help that person? आज मैं ये बात बोल सकती हूँ. That advice literally transformed my life. I remember one day, 2 साल पहले, I completely lost my control. ठीक है, I was sitting in a living room with my family. My entire family was there. Even though I surrounded by those people, मुझे अंदर से बहुत अकेला फील हो रहा था. For months or maybe years, मेरे अंदर जो कि मैं frustration, confusion, resentment, pain जो भी था मैं अपने अंदर लेके घूम रही थी, उस वजह से मैंने अपनी फैमिली को इग्नोर करना शुरू कर दिया था. I mistreated them many times. That day, everything just exploded. I could not control that frustration, that irritation of being in their company, that I literally lost my control. I started crying, I started screaming, and उन आंसू भरी आंखों से मैंने अपनी फैमिली को बोला था. मैंने ऐसी बात बोली थी, never thought I would say ever. And that was, I don't want any one of you. You have made my life like hell. And जैसे ही मेरे मुंह से ये शब्द निकले, the room was extremely silent. And that day, all of us cried. And after all of that screaming and explode of emotions and reactions, all of that work, nothing changed. Nobody understood me. I did not feel understood. I did not feel relieved. I did not feel free. I was still feeling the same things. इससे ज्यादा ये हुआ कि I started feeling hopeless and tired of whatever happened and whatever I was feeling. मैं बता सकती हूँ अगले कुछ सालों तक I literally regretted some of the words that I said that day, and one of that I told you already. फिर मुझे बहुत टाइम बाद पता लगा the anger was not even the problem. Anger was not even the problem. Underneath that anger, there was hurt. And underneath that hurt, there was a desperate need of approval, validation and safety. मैं चाहती थी कि लोग मुझे समझे. मैं चाहती थी कि लोग मुझे बताएं that I was okay, I am better in my life, I'm doing great. मैं चाहती थी कि लोग मुझे safe feel करवाएं within my body, within my mind, within my life. Main problem ये थी कि मैंने खुद को enough space ही नहीं दिया to actually understand what I was actually feeling. And then one day I heard this advice, learn to pause. At first I sounded almost casual, like useless. क्या ही फायदे की बात है, ये है ही क्या. But over time I've realized कि pause is not doing nothing. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप pause ले रहे हो तो आप कुछ नहीं करने वाले हो. Pause is like आप एक space बना रहे हो between क्या हुआ था आपके साथ and how you respond to it. मैं बताती हूँ मेरी लाइफ ये एडवाइस से पहले कैसे दिखती थी, बाद में कैसे दिखती थी. सो बिफोर, अगर मुझे किसी ने हर्ट किया आई विल रिएक्ट. अगर मुझे किसी ने क्रिटिसाइज किया आई विल रिएक्ट. अगर मुझे किसी पे गुस्सा आया आई विल रिएक्ट. अगर किसी ने मेरी बात नहीं समझी आई विल रिएक्ट. इफ माई लाइफ बिकेम डिफिकल्ट आई रिएक्ट. And most of the damage wasn't created by the situation at all. It was created by my own reaction to the situation. मेरा क्या reaction था उस situation को लेके, that made the whole mess out of my life. Then learning to pause changed that. Now जब भी मुझे मान लो कभी कभार होता है ऐसा, I feel hurt. I try to pause. अगर मुझे थोड़ा बहुत गुस्सा आता है, I try to pause and I reflect on it. What actually am I feeling? But actually this is showing me भाई असल में बात क्या है. What I'm looking for validation or it is actually a thing. I go to the root cause of the problem because बाकी सारी चीजें just symptoms हैं. The root cause is somewhere else. This has helped me so much to find the root cause and actually work on that. Because एक बार अगर मुझे emotion का पता लग गया, then I can choose consciously कि मुझे क्या करना है. And that's the difference. A reaction is automatic. And a response is conscious. This helped me to become more conscious about myself and about my emotions. इस छोटा सी स्पेस ने मेरी लाइफ के बहुत सारे डिसीजंस को बदला है. Learning to pause will not solve your problems. जिंदगी का जो भी दुख था वो नहीं गायब हुआ. ऐसा नहीं था कि my life became easy peasy. It gave me a space जो कि मेरे पास पहले कभी नहीं थी. And that was a choice to choose how I wanted to respond to this situation, not just react unconsciously. I can tell you sometimes आपकी awareness का छोटा सा मतलब आप अगर 3 4 5 सेकंड के लिए भी aware हुए हो, that will save years of your life. There's one piece of advice I wish I had learned earlier. It's this: learn to pause. Even before anything, just learn to pause and think about it. And some of the best decisions you will ever make will happen in the space of between what you feel and what you do. आपकी जिंदगी की सबसे जो ब्यूटीफुल डिसीजंस है वो तब आप लोगे देन जब आपके पास एक डिस्टेंस होगी व्हाट यू आर फीलिंग एंड व्हाट यू आर डूइंग. And that would be a great world if everyone start doing this. There will be a huge, like there will be bliss in on the planet. This is something I can tell you because I have been through that shit. Those, like there, those reactions were so draining that will drain me or the other person too, even if the intention was not that. Just the advice or the thing I can give to you. Hope you guys love this video. This video will give you something important to have adapt in your life. And if you have come to this point, like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.